Evening, faithful followers. Today I'm going to show you how to remix a song using Ableton Live. This is a multi-part tutorial. I'm going to break it down into several 30-second segments. First and foremost, what you're going to want to do is import your acapella and set it up the way you need it to. So say we wanted to remix All of Me. You're going to go to YouTube, download the acapella right here.
What would I do?
Now if I actually put in the original one right there, the first step you're going to want to do is warp your acapella to be the same beats per minute as what you want it to come out as your remix. So right now I want it to be 129 beats per minute. You'll notice in the acapella its BPM is 125. So what you do is you activate the warp button, and usually it'll fix that for you. But if it doesn't, you just adjust it to whatever beats per minute you want it. This is going to make your kicks and your hi-hats and pretty much your entire song be in sync with the acapella. And that is the first step to remixing a song with Ableton Live in 30 seconds.